If I run away, don't judge.
If I start cussing, don't judge, because that's me getting stung.
No.
Well, so this is interesting. My buddy Taylor from Pure Living for Outdoors gave me a call just a little bit ago and said, hey, I know you've been bugging me about getting one of my hives. How about you get your butt out there and get your own? And somebody contacted him about a swarm. So we are on our way to do that. So I'm bringing you along. Don't know how much of it I'm going to be able to film or show you. Never done this before. The next time you see me on camera, I could look like a freaking pimple-faced kid from bee stings all over me. Or everything could be just perfect. We'll see. So this is my first time ever doing it, catching a swarm. So we'll see how it goes. I'm getting ready to pull up to the house, so I guess I'll just see ya when I see ya. Okay. Don't get stung.
If I run away, don't judge.
If I start cussing, don't judge, because that's me getting stung.
No judgment here. Now the screen just went dark. Does that mean anything?
It's still going. It's
okay,
just, like
just making sure.
Oh my goodness. You talk about nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
Okay, last one. I hope. You ready for this?
I think so.
Okay, for this one you might want to get back.
Okay.
Oh, that's heavy.
Oh my gosh.
Is that nuts or what?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You ready?
Oh my gosh, I gotta move over here. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Sorry, I don't mean to come to you with a board with bees all over.
Yeah, thanks. That was nuts. And they're all just still swarming. I'm gonna back up a little more.
Do what you feel comfortable doing.
Dang. That was pretty cool though.
Okay, there's more.
And like more hive? Or just one hive? That was nuts. I've never seen that before.
Do what?
I've never seen that like that before.
There's a whole cluster still on the...
Do you want this? You want this GoPro?
Yeah, probably.
So you can get closer, because I'm not going to get that close. They're buzzing over my ears.
There's a whole mess of them right there. Those guys all went down nicely. Hopefully we got the queen with that, but I'm going to try to get some more of these.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to do that. You don't need me anymore.
No, we're good.
That was so cool, but it's not. Oh my god.
I'm getting ready to do a crazy part though.
Okay, let's go back.
Like, I'm not real excited about what I have to do next.
What do you gotta do now?
Just to make sure that I got her. That's so nerve-wracking.
Are they still clustering?
Do what?
Are they still like clustering?
Yeah. But,
Make it so the queen's not there?
yeah. Yeah, I just got stung on the knee. That hurts.
Oh, I see it's up your shorts! Oh my gosh, it's in your shorts. Stop, go up. Oh my gosh. Is it still up there?
No, but he got me good.
Oh, I can see your knee going red. Oh. I guess I should hold his. Yeah, no, I don't want you to close.
I hold that GoPro for her.
No, it's
They're
okay.
a lot calmer now too.
I'm not gonna record on mine this part. I'm saving it for the good stuff. You're gonna like this audio.
You gonna put it to music?
Yeah, yeah. I'll sing. Here it is. Be real still, guys.
No.
If I didn't get her this time, I quit.
Oh, you had to have gotten her that time, right?
So what happens to all the ones that didn't get in the box?
They're gonna go in the front.
Oh, there's an opening in the front.
You want this? You want to get closer with this?
Okay, well, that was an interesting day. Interesting day to say the least. That's a nice car right there. That was my first ever swarm. I think I mentioned that before, mentioning it again. And it went like that. It went about like I have never caught a swarm before. My buddy Taylor, FaceTimed with him a couple of times during the whole thing. Just to recap what you might have seen. I don't exactly know how this video is going to come together. It wasn't going to be, honestly, an entire video about a bee swarm, but it ended up being worthy of an entire video about a bee swarm because of how much I suck at bee swarming. So, the cliff notes, the highlights. I undo these deck boards where the bees are. On my way up there, Taylor told me, hey, you need to be sure to tape up the entrance to the box. You need to just dump the bees straight on there, blah, 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 blah. Well, either I wasn't paying attention very good, which is probably the answer, or he kind of maybe thought I was smarter than what I am, which is also... Can both of those be right? They both might be right, but what he meant was don't tape the box whenever you go home, not tape the box before you get the bees. So there was that. And then I shouldn't have put the frames, left all the frames in for the first initial try to get the bee swarm in my box deal. So I probably should have done what I did the second time around, which was remove half the frames at least, maybe even more, and that way I could have gotten the bees all the way down into the box instead of dumping them right on top, which Taylor seems to think whenever I dumped them right on top, the queen took off, which sucked for me because I spent the next 3 hours trying to figure out how to get them back. So, but we eventually got it. I'm almost home. It is 7:45. I got there at like 2:30. It's been a long afternoon. I got to get them in the garage, get some food on them, some sugar water on them, and then let them sit there for a couple of days, and then we will take them to their new home in a couple of days after they sit with me and get acclimated to their box. And by the way, their new home is where we'll see you next time, up on the ridge.